Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix camera lock bug in League of Legends. First of all, check the camera settings. Click the camera icon at the bottom right of your screen. If it's yellow, it means your camera is locked. Click it to unlock. If the issue persists, reset your camera toggle key bindings. Open settings, go to hotkeys and assign a key to toggle camera lock. The default is Y. Use it in game to choose between locked and unlocked modes. Check for display issues. Sometimes outdated graphics drivers or an incorrect screen resolution can cause the bug. Update your drivers and make sure your game's resolution matches your monitor. If all else fails, repair the client, open the Riot client, go to settings and select initiate full repair to resolve any corrupted files. And that's it, your camera log bug should now be fixed. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe and let us know in the comments. Good luck in your next mess.